What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I've got another tile leveling system video for you. We're going to compare two very popular tile leveling systems. One's going to be T-Lock. The other is going to be Levtec. So let's show you what we're working with here. Here's the floor. Approximately 150 square feet. We're installing 12-inch by 24-inch porcelain tiles, rectified 1/16 inch grout lines. Really quick before we talk about these two tile leveling systems. Amazing little product. Recovery tool by Levelhead. We use this twice. We use these level heads on every shower and every floor. We had a clip break right here. This is a clip. Once the clip breaks, in order to get another clip under there, you need to take off and out all of these wedges and clips. Reinstall new clips and install new wedges. So, very cool little trick. It's definitely good to have this in your tile box. Stick it in the grout line, twist it, it will level both tiles. So, anyhow, where was I? Perfect Level Master. T-Lock. We've got a kit here. I think this kit ran about 90 bucks. It gives us 300 clips and 100 wedges. I wish they included a pair of pliers with this kit. It only makes sense. I mean, it kills your hands if you don't have a set of pliers. So, Perfect Level Master T-Lock will be compared to Levtec's brand new clip and wedge system. So obviously, as you can see, we've got about 80 square feet installed already. We will install the remainder of the tile on this side of the kitchen using T-Lock, and I'll just talk about the pros and cons. I'll compare the two and show you how they work. So here we go. Now, this is not a sponsored video, guys. I purchased both of these systems with my own money. Let's compare the two. Okay, guys, here are the two tile leveling systems we are going to compare. Right here you've got Levtec, and right here you've got T-Lock by Perfect Level Master. Now, these are their starter kits. This is a starter kit for Levtec, starter kit for T-Lock. Just to give you a little information on these starter kits, right here, this starter kit runs $175, provides 250 wedges, 500 clip spacers, this big box, and a pair of pliers. $175 for this kit. This kit runs about $90, provides you with 300 clips versus 100 wedges versus 250. This case to contain your wedges in and clips, and does not include pliers. Now, that's just one thing that I would recommend T-Lock doing with their starter kits. One, providing a bigger starter kit with pliers for people who want to use a lot of clips to install a large floor. Using your fingers, pushing these wedges in, will agitate and bother your fingers. They will start to hurt fairly quickly during installation. Alright, let's show you up close what these leveling systems look like, and we'll compare the wedges and the clip spacers. Here we go. Here is your Levtec wedge. New and improved gives it more rigidity so that these don't break, as you can see on the bottom there. Here is your Levtec clip spacer. Here is your T-lock wedge. And your T-lock clip spacer. We'll take a closer look here. There they are in comparison. About the same size. They both have a very slim tip here, which is good for cleaning out route joints. They both feel like very sturdy wedges. Okay, here are the clips in comparison, close up. We're going to install this T-lock system today. Well, there you go, just a quick up-close comparison. Both feel like good systems. Okay, we installed Levtec yesterday, let's install T-lock today. And then we'll talk about the cost of a large amount of wedges and a large amount of clips. Now, clips are what you go through quickly, all the time. The cost of wedges is not that significant or important, but the cost of the clips are. Okay, let's install. Okay guys, let's compare cost for wedges, clips, and starter kits for these two tile leveling systems on paper. Well, there you guys go. That was my comparison and review of new Levtec wedges and clips and T-lock Perfect Level Master. Both systems are great quality. Absolutely. They install. Clips, spacers do not break when you tighten a wedge into it. Fantastic systems. So the pros are simple. It all comes down to price right now. Price and the starter kit. Levtec is ahead of the game with the starter kit. They have a good quality, good size starter kit. It's affordable. It includes enough wedges to do kitchens or bathrooms, shower walls, and it includes pliers. And the second benefit of Levtec over T-lock is the price. The wedges and the clip spacers for Levtec are much less than T-lock. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review and comparison. T-lock versus Levtec. Again, both fantastic systems. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Removing the T-locks. Moving Levtec.